You've probably noticed that I haven't added any videos recently. That's because my desktop was too crowded with different files, images, videos, and so forth. So I had to do a major cleanup. I transferred everything to a flash drive. So now I can upload more videos, more photos, and get them onto YouTube for you all to enjoy. This one today is a slideshow of all the flowers that I grew this summer. Many of them are still going strong. The zinnias, the marigolds, even the morning glories, and a couple of sweet peas are still gifting me with their beautiful color every day. We've had warm days and cool nights, but these little valiant flowers are still working hard to keep some color going out there. So I hope you continue to enjoy my videos. Please hit the subscribe and the like button because that helps me out a lot. Have a wonderful and blessed day.